It's 8 AM. We're on the beach again, and once again, none of us realised until this morning when we woke up because it was dark as hell when we got here last night. But I just got the call. The boys have 3 axles and they're on their way to us. So we're back on. Just trying to work out what our plan is for today. If we can miss stages, miss the start. If we run all the way to the next town and skip day 3, run day 4, 5, 6. We'll see.
I would use it honestly because I'm always around. That's why I failed school.
Right, this is our room. Just talking to some dudes outside. It sounds like yes, we can push the car across the start line to start the stage, and if required, we can skip straight to stage 2. So we're waiting for Tanya and Jason to get back with the ute to confirm, and then we will go to the start line and confirm this. And we're back on. We're going to be behind time again, behind the game. But yeah, there's something in it. This is the gearbox, but they're going to push forward across the line this morning. And after that, in stage 1, they're going to run the gearbox part and rebuild it. It's pretty brutal out here. Pretty good in general. Just needs missing 1 times XL. Pick up. What looks like. Maybe not. Pretty cool truck. Oh. Maybe.
Metric. And then we end up tracking all the way back around.
We're just gonna go try and find someone that actually knows what what we can do today. Everyone's on the main road. What we call them? Fuel up before the stage. Check the gas station in this place. Right, stupid shit of the day, number 1. We've got the ute with the trailer with the race car behind it on a rope.
There's enough room if we go beside so no cars won't get past, eh?
Yeah,
Where we go?
exactly, I don't know. They're not going to get around us. We are just going to trailer it, or not trailer it, the car's got to roll across the line. Yep.
Tanya's down there already.
Alright. So we got to fang it down here. He's on a rope behind us. Try not to fuck up any of these this time. And we've got to pull in behind 115. We've got road train going on. We've managed to pull in on even good enough gap for cars to get through. Road train going on. 4-seater. Disappointing way to start the day, but there's still hope, eh? Man, look at this guy. He looks tired. I'm tired. I'm tired too. These dudes.
video of it going in.
No matter what we cross the start line. Pulling up in the big red truck, man.
Yeah.
This is how we all go racing in Baja, eh? We all get in the truck and tow the car.
So, bro.
100.
So did you guys fix the axle?
Yeah, and then we snapped another one.
Snap.
We
Same
snapped,
side or
we
the other
sta-
side?
Same side. We snapped the spare. Yeah.
Ah, it's a bummer.
Yeah, 25 around.
We've got 3 axles on the way. We're going to meet them up the road.
Okay, good. All right.
Roger.
Might be
I'll
on.
let the boys know.
All right, we'll see you
Okay.
guys at the next finish line.
Sweet, bro. We'll do.
Cool. All right. Yeah.
25 miles an hour to the roundabout or else they'll get
Okay.
a penalty.
You guys have a good day today.
You don't normally start a Dodge 6 up, do you? Hey?
You know what?
You don't normally start a Dodge 6 people up.
Yeah.
First time for everything.
Yeah. 25 fingers.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cheers, bro.
Good guys. Thank you.
Aaron gives a rev when he comes through. Keep it. Oh, you keep it.
Right, we're at the gas station. Met up with Dan and Cruz.
Thank you, Dan.
These weapons frickin' drove all night.
Thank you, Cruz.
Get us an axle.
Fucking legends, you two.
So we're back on.
Back in the game because of you two.
Oh, right. Look at this shit. Oh yeah. Okay, quick update. I'll be quick. We're parked at the gas station. Cruz and Dan have met us here. We've got one axle going on. Our hubber's come a bit loose again, so we're going to crank that up. And then we need to work out where the last car in class is because we can't start until he goes because we missed the first stage. And then we'll follow him. So maybe stage 2, maybe stage 3, we're not sure, but we're getting close. Right, big strategy game. We're almost repaired. It looks like we're going to skip stage 2 as well. Go to stage 3, which is going to give us 1 hour of penalties for the day, but keep us in the points. Frickin' amazing job. What a bunch of weapons. Shit. Now I'm tired. We just ripped down the road, like ripped down the road with the trailer for, I don't know, the last 3 hours, 2 and a bit hours, 3 hours. I'm trying to make special stage 3. Right over here's got his little bell. Ice cream cut, man. But we're going to dump the car off and run stage 3. How well I taped it.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, my friend.
Hell yeah, stickers. Right, we're unloaded, ready to go. I'm going to pass my camera on and yeah, let's get underway. 60 kilometers. Stage 3.
Vizcaíno.
Fuck it.
That crazy wind deflection system. What is that?
It's meant to go under the neck brace.
No,
No, you're good.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's like a bride getting ready for marriage. Got the bridesmaids all helping them.
Jollied up in our outfits.
Yeah.
Homo stick.
Spaceman is in the house.
Homo handle. Oh, that's a homo handle.
Shit. Well, the sun has started to set. The desert ready. We're parked up. We're suspecting the diff has gone. It's the box. We pulled up hoping it was an axle. Well, gutted, but we're thinking it was an axle. Axles are okay. Gearbox is not. We're in the middle of frickin' nowhere. Getting any parts for this box is going to be impossible. And we don't have any time. We don't have parts. So that's us. We're waiting for the sweet vehicle to come through. The stage closed about 15 minutes ago. It's going to be dark soon. We're going to have to take the axles, CVs, etc. off. And light we're keeping. So that concludes our adventure at the NORRA 1000 2026. It's defeated us, but I'm sure we'll be back. Don't know when, but until next time.
Got to get towed because I go about 200 yards and die.
But you've got enough probably to.
You can reverse.
You can probably reverse a little
But that
bit.
depends.
It sits free and then runs
The fuel pump is the fuel.
Well, we can just turn around one way or the other.